See my screen. Here, this is what I'm referring to. There's a kernel task that's taking up 72 gigs of RAM. I'm actually 4 gigs in the swap right now, so I would like to know what kernel task is using this much RAM. Obviously I have a memory leak somewhere, but like where? Interesting. I actually don't see the thing that oh, no audio. Interesting. Yeah, I don't know what would make the audio go away. It wasn't me. I haven't done anything or changed anything. I'm gonna say it's on your end. Yeah, but I actually don't see the fact that, like, I'm not seeing this anywhere in my task manager here. Except for this. Alright, so I gotta figure out what's taking up all my RAM, because that's actually a lot. Like, I actually have no RAM left. I wonder if I can just stop this. .973 threads. And this is almost, maybe I should restart my computer level. Oh, hey, yeah. I forgot to say what's up, Yanni, my bad. Or maybe I did say what's up and I forgot that I said what's up. Either way, what's up? How you doing? Alright, well, anyway. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to figure out what's eating up all of my RAM. Alright, well, it's not like I can do anything about it. So I'll just give up on that. I'm still closing every application that I don't need open. Just in case. Alright, so yesterday I was working on, randomly, I ended up working on an iPhone project using ChatGPT to do all of the work for me. And I figured, why not lean on ChatGPT to do even more work for me? I don't really know what to add, so what I think I'm going to do is show my last commit. I think I can do that, hopefully. So in order to figure out if this is possible, like, obviously I could use ChatGPT, but I mean, GitHub's API changes kind of often. So I'm going to first do some validation to see if this is even possible. Like, what I mean by that is I need to check to see if there's any data that I can get access to make this possible, to enable this. Wait, why is this showing everything I type? I thought it was only supposed to show my command keys. All right, so I need to go to the API to do this. Well, I don't need to go to the API, but that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use our REST API. And what I'm looking for specifically is there an endpoint that I can go to where I can get all of my commits? So there's this commits endpoint, but normally you would have to give it a commit to get the information. I don't really want to do that. I want to get my commits. So I'm seeing if I can give this a user, and it looks like I can give it a repo, I can give it an owner. Yeah. So unfortunately, this isn't going to give me my latest commit, which is actually what I want. What I would instead have to do is go to every repository that the user, I guess that the user owns or that they're a contributor of, and check to see if they have any commits. So I would get the list of commits. This may be something that I need to use the GraphQL API for. Maybe, we'll see. Because this won't do it. List, get a commit. Compare 2 commits. Okay, so that's potential commits, maybe, but probably not. Let's see, users. Get the authenticated user, okay. And then this gives me all of these things right here. So it does tell me all of the repos, okay. So what I'm thinking is that I'm gonna have to maybe potentially use the GraphQL API, which I'm not as familiar with, to be honest, but it's whatever. You can get familiar with it right now. All right. Let's go to the Explorer. So, inside of this user, I wonder if I can get all of their repos. Repositories, yes. Okay. Unexpected end of document. Wait, what? Oh, this whole edge node thing, I forgot about that. It's so confusing, to be honest. Alright, so I think the edges are the connections, so maybe it's the nodes that I want. Let's just do descriptions for now. Could not resolve the user with a login of dot. I thought, okay. Interesting, all right. Shit. Okay. User login. I am little shepherd. I think this is my login. I actually don't know if it's case sensitive or not. We're gonna do repositories. We want all of the nodes, not the edges. And each node should have a description. You must provide a first or a last value to properly paginate repositories. Oh my gosh. Missing pagination boundaries. Okay. I actually have no idea how to do whatever this is saying. Like get the first. Normally I thought I would do it here, something right here, but maybe I can come into repositories, wherever that is, and just, yeah, okay, yeah, I can just do it here. So I'm gonna say first for now. Oh, okay, so I was right. You do put it here. That's what I was about to do, but okay. All right, so this gives me all of my projects with a description. Well, yeah, this gives me all of my projects. That's actually not what I want though. I really don't care that much about the repositories. I just want to get the repository so that I can then check to see if I can get commits. This description was just to see what's here. So let's see if I can do commits. Nope. Unfortunately, that's not gonna give me what I want. Not in that way, at least. Let's see if I can get it from here. Commits. Commit comments. I wonder what a commit comment is. Let's do the first 10. Wait, I thought they had a hosted version of this now. Whatever. We'll just continue to use GitHub. Okay, so these are commit IDs. I really don't care about the actual ID. I only care about the body. All right, good start. I like that you added XML style on a few mainly. Wait, are these my comments? I have no idea whose comments these are. Like, are these my comments? So let's get the URL out of here so I can go and visit one of these to see. All right, well, this is definitely on one of my repos. So I guess I made this comment. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, sure. I made that comment. Okay, I want to order these commits in a certain way. I want to order them in by creation date. That'll give me these in a specific order. That way, if I grab the first one, I know it's the latest. Where is that at? Can you sort with GraphQL? Is that a thing? So I can do an order by. The question is, what is the correct thing to order by? Because I don't really know what that is here. I don't know this very well. But I mean, there is one other path that I can take. I don't like it, but I mean, it works. What I can do is grab all of my repositories, and instead of trying to just submit off a single request using GraphQL, what I do is I would just send off all this, my list of repositories, and I should be able to go to the commits thingamajig. Let me see if commits is in here. No, commit is only, well, maybe if I go into the repository. Yeah, it's only commit comments. I don't know if I want to commit comments unless I can get the actual commit from the comment. Let's see. Maybe that'll be the edge. Nah, it's definitely the node. All right, so here's how I'm going to determine whether or not this is legitimately a commit or if this is a comment. That's what I'm confused on right now. And it looks, okay, well, wait, what? There we are. All right, cool. Put this back. All right, cool. So inside of here, I should be able to get the commit. There we are. And here is going to be, let's get the commit SHA. SHA. Would it just be the ID? Like, what do they call it? Let's see if that's the SHA. Yeah, wait. No, that's definitely, wait a minute. Yeah, this definitely is not the thing that I want. And I think I understand why. So this is giving me all of the, all right, so what I want this to be is a unique list of commit IDs, but they don't have to be unique, to be honest. In fact, I don't know if this is actually the commit SHA. Let's go back in history. Test. Oh, that's good enough. All right, that commit is 0A2697. 0A26. Yeah, that's definitely not it. Okay. So this isn't the correct ID. Is it the checksum? Is that on here? Is there a sum at all? Date committer. History message. Let's see, OID. Oh wait. Oh, okay. All right, cool. Yes, OID. All right. I don't understand why this is called that, but whatever. All right. So this at least gets me all of my commits like this. Now I wonder if I can say like I only want unique. Can I do that? Wait, what is this? Oh, I just want like the docs. All right, this is too hard to find just the docs. So maybe I'll just type GraphQL this time, or maybe I'll do unique filter. Oh, there is a distinct. Is there a distinct? Okay. So what I want here is, instead of this to be whatever that is, I want this to be distinct on something. I think I can do that. Distinct. Nope. Unique first, after, before. All right, maybe that was a lot. Maybe that's not what it is. That was kind of old. GraphQL, here's. All right, let's see if ChatGPT can help here. So this made a full query. I mean, sure, I'll take it, but the thing that's interesting to me is that they're doing this default branch ref. Okay, fine. And then they're going to the target, and then this ... on commit. I don't understand this ... on commit. Okay. I am going to not just put this directly in there, although I would love to just straight up copy and paste. I don't believe that would work though, so we're not going to do that. All right, so I'm going to create a new query. All right. Wait. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. Okay. Here we are. So this right here, instead of this being a variable that I'm passing in, I'm just going to hard code it for now. I don't know why I ran that. Let's comment that out. Let's only run this. Okay, data, user, repositories. All right, notes. Okay. And then target history edge. Okay, so far that's right. Node OID. Commit date 2015-09. Alright, so far the shape of this is correct, which is good enough for me for now. So now that I've done this, I just now realized I'm trying to do this in an iPhone app. So I would like to take this query and use it, right? Let's see. I wonder if like I should craft this request myself, or if I should use some type of a library for this. Let's see. GraphQL, Swift. Oh wow, you can install Apollo on iOS? I didn't know that. Okay, well, I suppose I'll do that. Like, I mean, I didn't have to put any effort into getting this query to work. So with that, let's go ahead and copy out this query, and we'll save this somewhere else. We'll actually put it in the Xcode project. One day my recent projects will work. I am sure of it. Oh wait, I forgot I put this in my code directory under Devlog, because this is my new excuse for content project. I just realized that I opened the wrong thing. Let's try again. I want to open up the project. There we are. Cool. So let's create a new file. Can this just be text? Or is there a GraphQL file? Can I just have like a regular text file? Like, is that not allowed? Oh my gosh. Other? Can I do other? All right, fine. We'll go with a rich text file. Oh my gosh. Hopefully that doesn't add any weird formatting BS. All right, so I'm gonna just call this my query, and this is gonna be stored in the top level project here. Yeah, sure. All right, so this is going to be the user commits, last commit, per repo, query. Okay. Oh wait, I copied the wrong thing. That's the results. Okay, so let's create or turn this into a query. So we're gonna say fetch last commits per repo. Four repos. How about that? And this is going to take a what is it going to take? login, and we're going to define a variable called login, and we'll take that and pass it in like so. I think. Okay, cool. So I don't like this already. Let's delete this. Leave the trash. We'll do this with code. That way I can get better formatting and better support. We'll open this folder. Where is it? Devlog. Here we are. Shit. Oh wait. Did I query login? Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay. You have a deprecated. What's the deprecated extension? Okay, so we're gonna call this fetch last commit. Commit per repo. Except this isn't a Swift file, this is a GraphQL file. Okay. So now, technically, I don't need the GraphQL client. Like, if I'm being 100% honest. And here's why. I can just, because GraphQL just operates over HTTP, I just send it a query. So technically, I can use, oops. Let's see. Technically, I can use the thing here. Where is it at? I can use URL session. And yeah, I can do stuff here. I suppose I can go ahead and add Apollo. I was trying to think, like, do I really need to do that? But the answer is no. But I've never done it, so so it's like, let's see where that goes. All right, so we'll go ahead and add a new target or dependencies or whatever you call those things. We'll come into here. All right, yep, Apollo iOS. Sure, that's good enough. Which one of these do I need? There's a lot. There's Apollo, Apollo Dynamic API. I have no idea which ones I need. So I just need Apollo. Okay, sure. This version rule, we'll change this up to next minor. Okay, in order to run your query, Apollo requires a schema JSON file. You can download your schema by downloading the Apollo CLI. Okay, if you don't already have it, and running the following command from your terminal and replacing the link with your API link. Okay. I'm pretty sure I don't have an Apollo CLI. Nope. Okay, let's install Apollo. Is it called Apollo CLI? Oh, I had to install it with npm. Oh, okay, well. Good to know. Interesting. npm id Apollo. Alright. Cool. Alright, so I want to download a schema. Is it API.github? I have no idea where their GraphQL endpoint is. Did this even say? I don't think it did. No, I don't say. Public schema, here we are. There we go. So I'll just paste whatever that link is. Nope. That's definitely not it. Or, okay, maybe it is it. Maybe that is. Okay, sure. We'll take it. In fact, no, that was actually all I need. I think that was a JSON file. I want to say that was a JSON file. What the hell did I just download? Is it this schema docs thing? Yeah, that looks like it. There's a lot of stuff here. Okay. But this thing, it said that I needed a JSON file, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Download, and then, wait. Maybe I do need to have Apollo do this. So yeah, okay, fine. I still need to figure out where the server is. Wow, like man, okay, fine. This shouldn't be that hard, I don't think. I just need, oh, here we are, perfect, okay. I'm like, the one piece of information that I need is just not here. I don't know what to do about that. Wait, did I not? Okay, sure. Alright, so schema download. Endpoint is equal to that. And I'm I'm gonna put this on my desktop. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put this in my code directory under devlog under whatever this is, that, and then we're just gonna call this the I don't know, GHGraphQL GQL scheme. Schema.json. Could not find Apollo. Interesting. What the? Okay, all right, wait. What? What did I just install? Apollo. It's definitely Apollo. Not found. Bad engine. I don't know what that means. All right, let's try this again. Yeah, all right, well, I guess I will go ahead and install the latest version of npm, maybe. All of that shouldn't matter. Yeah, that shouldn't matter. That should work. That should have worked. Required node version. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see what's happening here. Wait, what's my password? All right, so we're gonna use version 17. Oh, under 17. Oh my gosh. What the hell? Is this even like, is this still being supported? Ah, look at that. It is deprecated. All right. I am starting to think that maybe I shouldn't follow whatever guide that I was looking at. Let's see if I can find wherever that is. Okay, well, I was looking at a guide, but maybe I'm not. I don't know where it is. Well, yeah. So what I was thinking is maybe I shouldn't follow whatever guide that I was following because it could be out of date. So what I'm instead going to do is just follow the docs, the official docs, which I've just now discovered exist. All right, yeah, look at that. Getting started. Oh wow, okay. Okay. Maybe I didn't have to do that other stuff. Oh yeah, so I did need a .graphql file, so we're good. Whatever I was looking at was just out of date. It must have still been JSON. So yeah, let's move this to the right place. Devlog, page profile. All right, yeah, so that's our schema. Okay, let's put this in a folder called GQL. One of the things that I want to do is add, or maybe I don't want to add anything yet. I'll wait. All right, so there seems to be a few options. I can either use Xcode or I can do it all in the CLI. I guess I'm gonna do it all in the CLI. It's the first option presented, so I'm assuming that this is the preferred way, maybe. All right, so we'll do Swift package. Right, man, I can't type. Writing to package. I think that's how you spell package. Directory. All right. Apollo CLI install. We'll just take that on off because it's misspelled in all kinds of ways. Open this in Sublime right quick. Package allow writing to package directory Apollo. Yeah, that seems about right. Okay. I think I need to run this. Why do I need to run this? I'm going to do it in the directory. Well, actually, I'm going to read first. Like, does it matter where I do this, or is this just installing this Apollo CLI? I don't know. Okay, I don't think it needs to be in a specific direction or directory, although I'm still going to put it in a directory. Let's just exit out of here. Okay, so we'll go into my code directory. Devlog. What is this project called? GH. Alright. And I never copied my command. Paste it in there. Could not find package.swift in this directory or any of its parent directories. Parent directory. Okay, so maybe I do need to go into the actual directory where this is. So we'll go into GH profile. Try that again. Oh. Did not find package.swift. Oh, okay. All right. I see what's happening here. I was under the impression that when I installed the package using the package manager, no, whatever this is, the Swift package manager, I may have thought incorrectly that it created a like a package file of some form. Let's see what got created. So we have these Swift files. Do we have a package? Oh, we do have this package, but that's not the package that the thing cares about. Okay, all right. So I understand now why I'm getting that error. Go away. All right. All right, I understand now why it's failing. It's because I don't have this package file. So because I didn't install it using Swift Package Manager like I thought I did, even though it literally said Package Manager. What I'm instead going to do is just do it the CLI route way. So we'll come here and then do install the CLI, which now that I do this, this is so much easier. I don't even know why. Whatever. Okay. All right. It looks like it just finished doing the thing, so we're good with it. We're good there. Next is saying to go into the root of my directory, and I should now have a new file that's sim linked in here. Yep, Apollo iOS CLI. All right, and just need to run it. I wonder what I'm supposed to put for my schema name. I'm gonna put that verbatim for now. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to come up with my own name, like, in here, like that, or if, I don't know. So I'm gonna just say my schema name. We'll call it GitHub. API. God dang it. Module type. So I have no idea what are the different types of modules. All right, provides a name for the namespace of your generated schema files. Provides a name for the namespace. Sure. Configures how your generated schema types are included in your project. This is a crucial, okay, all right, to make before configuring code generation. Determine the right option for your project. Oh gosh, work. Get started quickly. Use the embedded and target option. Use the embedded and target. You must apply a target name using the target name command line option. Okay. All right, I'm not sure if it got me any closer to answering any questions. So I'm just saying embedding the target. So I guess it's this right here. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Missing value. Okay, so wait, schema name. Okay, so I don't think it likes these $sign thingamajigs here. Oops. All right, cool. And it's telling me that the target name. So we're good now. So it's working the way that I would expect. So now we give it the target name. And here's why I said I expected that. It's because it literally says right here that I need target name. And it gave me actual output, like an actual error this time, instead of some BS like that. Okay, so target name, command line option. Okay, what is target name supposed to be? Oh, it's just a name for it. Okay. I don't know. Let's call it test for now. New configuration output. Apollo Cogen, whatever that is. So let's look at it. Cogen, whatever that is. Oh, there we are. Oh wow, that's not a lot. I wonder if it created any files. Oh no, it hasn't yet. It hasn't done it yet. Oh, I see what's happening here now. Did it add it to? No, it didn't. So it seems to be the case that what this is going to do is go into, it's going to look for all of the places where I can have GraphQL files. And since this is at the root of my project, it should include that directory of called GQL that I created. In fact, let's do a little bit of file management here. All right, so let's in GQL. schema docs.graphql. Maybe schema docs GraphQL should not be there. Move schema docs. All right, we'll move that here, and let's rerun that command. I don't know if it'll make a difference. Already exists. Okay. Overwrite. Cool. Let's see if it looks any different. No, looks the same. Okay, all right, yeah, fine, looks the same. What I'm gonna try out now is to do some code generation. All right, so we just call the CLI and generate. Generate. That's not what okay, fine. Generate. A GraphQL schema cannot be found. Please verify the schema search pass. Please verify the schema search pass. Schema search pass. GraphQLs. Is that a bug? GraphQLs, that's dumb. Okay, so it needs to be called .graphqls. Just really stupid. In fact, it's so stupid to where I don't believe that. I think that this is an error. Schema search pass. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it though. I'll keep it. So that's current. Oh, come on now. What the hell's going on? All right, there we are. Cool. So, I have the thing here. I'm going to rename that to GraphQLs and rerun the thing. I don't know if I trust that. GraphQLs, yeah, that's, it should definitely find that schema. Okay. See if we can solve some of that. All right, so we have my codegen file here, as well as the actual schema, which is now called GraphQLs. I don't like that, so we're gonna go back to here. We're gonna create another folder called schemas. No, I'm not going to do that. Wait, why does it say .docs? Is that? Oh, shit. No wonder. No wonder. Okay. So to make my life a little easier, I'm gonna just have a terminal sitting here, and let's do some things. We're gonna go into my code directory, devlog, and then whatever this is called, GS profile. All right, so we can call this Apollo iOS CLI fetch schema. Fetch schema path. Path read the configuration from a file. Nope. String provide configuration. Wait, I was hoping that I can give this like a URL. Maybe that is a path, technically, right? Let's see. api.github.com/GraphQL. Nope. Doesn't like that. Okay. All right, so I just got to figure out some way to get the GitHub GraphQL API, the schema somehow. I thought I downloaded it, but obviously I didn't. Public schema. You can perform it. Okay. So first of all, I just realized that I went to the wrong place. I downloaded the wrong thing. I thought I could just do that. I didn't realize that I would actually have to run a query to get the thing that I want. Let's try this. Gosh, what variables do I have installed on here? Do I have a GHP? All right, let's see. Do I have like a config anywhere? Yes, I do. Oh, okay. I have more than one machine, so that's why I don't seem to know my own machine. But I have things that I tend to do often or the same, so that's why I'm like, oh, maybe if I have implemented it, then it behaves the same way everywhere. Config hosts. Okay. Where's my personal access token now? I thought I had man, I'm wondering if I have a personal access token for this machine, and I probably don't. So I'm going to create a one-time use personal access token. Also, just so that I can show this, I guess, maybe. So those of you who don't know how to create a personal access token, this is what enables you to make authenticated requests to an API, or in this case specifically to GitHub's API. Hold on, I just realized that there's new features. Any of these matter to me? Project migration, made it easy for you to migrate your project. It's all new. Sure, yeah, I'll take it. I do use the old projects and the new one. Passkeys, unlike passwords, passkeys are phishing resistant and hard to forget. Okay, no. An updated repository landing page experience that integrates. Okay, sure, yeah, I'll enable that. All right, now back to what I was doing. So I'm gonna go into my settings, come into developer settings, and I'm gonna click on this personal access tokens. I see. Okay, all right, makes sense. Okay, so let me go ahead and delete this. I don't want that. We're gonna call this to be short life. How about that? Short life. We're going to make this expire basically today, tomorrow. Yep. Using this for the devlog to do some stuff. And, you know, just mark the owner. What do I want to allow it to do? In this case, it should be public repositories. I mean, it can be all, but given that people are going to see this, it's not going to be that. What other permissions do I want here? None of these. Yeah, you're not going to be able to do shit. Just look. Okay. We will generate this token, copy it, and put it right there as my bearer. And I just realized that I don't want to do that yet. I actually want to pipe this to another file. We'll put this in code, devlog gh. What do we want to call it? Really, I want to call it this thing right here. So it's going to be called that, except not really. It's going to be called GitHub GraphQL. Cool, look at that. We're going to do something. Hopefully downloading. Cool, yeah. I did some downloading, all right. So now I can remove the one that has docs in it. Cool. And oops, I don't know why I went back up there. Now what I can do is come back into my shell session here and see if I can rerun this generate. Wait, what? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. So we go into code, devlog. Schema cannot be found. Again. Oh, wait a minute. GraphQLs. I forgot. So we need to move this to GraphQLs. Okay, all right, we're getting somewhere. This is better. Now it at least knows, it sees the file, it's reading the file, and we're getting a syntax error. This is good. All right, so expected name found string. Wait, expected name found string data. Okay, let's actually go and look at this schema file right quick. Get it up. Okay, it definitely does start out with data. Can we format this? Maybe if I turn it into JSON. No. Okay, JSON format. Uh-oh. I do need to, I'm gonna restart my computer after this. There's no reason why I should have 72 or 74 gigabytes of things running. I don't think this is gonna finish. So, what's going on? All right. Fine. All right, so apparently this isn't the thing that I need. I thought it would be. And yeah. I wonder if GraphQL-S means GraphQL schema. I wonder if I just made a gap of my connection. Okay. I thought that was the file that I needed. Okay, so there seems to be something called SDL. All right, so let's see if I can convert JSON. Convert JSON Apollo or JSON Apollo schema, maybe. SDL, maybe. I wonder if I can tell if I can tell GitHub that I don't want JSON, but instead to give me the SDL. I'm also seeing if I can do the same thing. I think it's like introspection or whatever, using the not this, but the new one, the Rover CLI. Wait, how do I guess I install it, maybe? It's a new way to install it. All right. Okay, all right. Oh my gosh, that took a lot longer than I thought it would take. But I should be able to pull the schema now, hopefully. And I hope it'll give it to me in this SEL thing or whatever. Oh, and I forgot I have it here. Okay, so we're gonna do rover. That's not how you spell rover. Graph, inspect, HTTPS, API, github.com/GraphQL. Inspect. Did I misspell? Oh, introspect. Okay. I wonder, why do I need to be authenticated? Oh, look at that. All right, so I can pass headers. All right, cool. That works. So then we'll do dash header, and it's a key value. Or I guess we'll just do dash H, like that. And it's gonna be a key value pair. Shit, what is it? I've already forgotten. Let's go into this. I remember doing it earlier. I just forgot. Is it authorization? Yeah, authorization. There we are. So it's gonna be authorization. And we're gonna put in my personal access token, which I never saved to a file because it shouldn't be long lived. All right, put that in there. So hopefully we won't get the 401 anymore. Now we get something else. Oh no, we still get a 401. Interesting. Oh, wait. Yeah. This is also incorrect. It's not authorization GitHub, whatever that was. It's authorization bearer, whatever that was. Big difference. Look at that. This seems interesting. So what I'm gonna do is rerun this and pipe that output into my GraphQLs. All right, now that I have that in my GraphQLs, I'm gonna redo the generate command, and maybe it'll work this time. Wait, what? Please verify your search pass. Are we doing this again? Yeah, this definitely looks different. Like, it looks like this is what I want. Maybe not. But it's saying something interesting. Okay. All right, I'm dumb. Let's put it in. Oh wait, no, I'm not dumb, but I'm gonna still put it in here. Oof. Okay, for the schema search pass, what I'm gonna do is say, go into GQL / schema. And it's gonna be that, like so. Operation search pass. That's gonna be in GQL. Anything with a .graphql. Yeah, we're gonna move that out too. I'm doing this so that in the future, if I decide to do any type of like nesting or whatever, it'll work. And GraphQL S is the schemas, and then everything else is just going to be GraphQL. All right, let's see if we can get this to do something this time. No GraphQL operations could be found. Ah, okay. It's because I'm using .gql and they want me to use .graphql. Fine, I'll do that. Well, it's not they want me to. It's just that that's what's defined. Like, hold on, give me a second. Yeah, that's just what's defined here in this configuration file right there. So let's see, does that give me a little bit further? Yes, it does. Expected $, found name. Okay, fine, I can deal with that. This is wrong. This should be a string. And I think it's lowercase string, or is it capital string? I don't know. We'll see, it'll tell me. Error, something. All right, this is better. All right, this is, all right, I can work with this. So we'll move this to over here. We'll get that error over here popping. Let's go ahead and restart that. Okay, so this is failing on CodeGen, and it's saying here fetch / commit per repo graph 1 error variable log n of type string used in position expecting type string. Okay, so I think it needs to end with an exclamation point. I actually forgot about that. So look at that. We now have a like generated stuff or generated files, and it's placed here, I think. Oh wait, yeah, it's here. Cool, look at that. And now here is code generation. Oh, this is dope. Okay, all right, yeah, so all right, we have that part done. So that was step 2, I think. So let's go on, move on in life. Don't need that anymore. Pretty sure I don't need any of that. In fact, let's just go back to my history. Look for Apollo stuff. Okay, that's what I just did right here. So I just generated all of the code, all of that kind of crap. So we're good there. Add the generated schema and operation files to your target. Okay. Returning the generated schema files. Okay. If you created a target, you'll need to manually add it. All right, so it's saying to make this available to my target. I guess the first thing I have to do is add it, right? Because I don't see it. So let's, how do I do that? Is it just add, open? Okay, so no, can't do that. All right. All right, I'm going to assume that I now have it in my target. I really don't know what that means. So I'm just going to move on and create my client. And what I'm going to do is put that inside of my profile here, inside of here somewhere. I'm just going to throw it in my user model. I'm sorry, my view model here. So this wants me to import Apollo, so we'll go ahead and do that. And we need to create a client. I'm straight up copying this. I don't want to type that. All right, so we're gonna delete all of that and put S. I forgot API. GitHub. Okay, all right, so we have my client. So let's create a thing. So we'll call this fetch last commits. And technically this should return a task. Like if we're being real. This should too, actually, now that I think about it. All right, so we're gonna do this. Wait, should I? Yeah, okay. This isn't GPT. I was like, should I be typing this? But I'll type it since it's not coming from GPT. Oh, tripping. That's a closure that was. All right, that was a closure that I was typing. My bad. All right, so we'll get the query, okay, and then here's the closure that I was writing, and didn't realize I was writing until now. And then I guess they just print the data just to see what's in there. And the query is fetch last commits. Okay. Oh, I can't even find that. Okay, interesting. This shouldn't be a part of any target, actually, but this should be. Oh, okay. I think this expects something, maybe. Fetch last commits. Okay, how do I pass data to the query? I wonder if I can create the query. So let's see this. Let's see, let q equal fetch commits. Like, let's see if this object is something that I can edit. No. Well, what is this? Huh. Okay. Can I do that? Oh, I wonder if I do GitHub API dot. Maybe. All right. Let's see. GitHub. No, that's not what I do. Okay. Maybe it's this. So whatever that is, query. None of these match what I'm trying to accomplish. Here's what I need. I need an example showing me what does a query with parameters look like, a parameterized query. This is just showing me a basic query that has no parameters. It definitely knows the. it definitely knows this. What I'm not sure of is why don't I see a login for this particular class? Oops, what did I just do? Oh, I gotta import Apollo API. My gosh. Okay. Apollo. I don't think that was made clear anyway. Let's see if this has login like I'm expecting. It doesn't. Oh, that's still wrong. I'm not like it keeps popping this up, but I don't know where it's trying to pull that from.
Something new under sun. You can't take back some things you already done. No.
All right, let's see if we can get GraphQL, not GraphQL, ChatGPT in the mix. See if we can add some help. Excuse me.
You waste all of your time covering up your tracks. Spend all your days running away. You got what's back, and that's the past. You spend so much of your life scheming and trying to get over. Got you wondering why you come around. All you get is cold shoulder. Yeah. You try so hard. Cover up your games. You try so hard. Hoping that one day something gon' change.
I wonder if that's how you do it. That let's A equal that. A dot. Does this give me back anything? Just comment all that up. Did I call the schema test? No. Okay. It says that it's stored in whatever the schema namespace is. I do remember setting that at some point. All right, there's something that should have been embedded in something, and I don't know what this test is for. Like, how do I get it? All right, so part of my issue is that I simply don't have access to the new generate. Like, I don't have access to this for some odd reason, and I don't understand why. Because it's part of the correct target, so all these files should be available to me, but they're not. I accidentally added this to staging, and I don't want that. I don't want anything that's under this GitHub API. The reason why is that all of these can be generated. Oh, shit. Oh shit. I didn't mean to do that. Let's restore. Wait, why can't... Oh. I thought I could just restore this, but no, I can't, which sucks. But we're good. Okay, let's go into the settings for this repo. And I want to make sure that I ignore anything that's in GitHub API. So, all right. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break, so I'll be back. I just realized I wasn't sharing my screen. I'm sharing my screen now. Okay, I'm going to try closing Xcode and just restarting. I don't trust the fact that I'm getting a method that's not defined anywhere that I know of. So it's like, why is it telling me that I can do this fetch last commits, but this isn't defined anywhere? Like, where's this coming from? Oh, okay, well, I guess that could also be it. So let's call this foo for now. Okay, so I've just decided to switch the module type to the Swift Package Manager because I saw that it's here. There wasn't any guidance in the tutorial or guide that I was following on which one to use. In fact, actually there was guidance. It just said to use embedded and didn't give a reason why not. So that's what I did. Now I'm trying this again, and I'm going to try to regenerate the files and see what happens. Is there an overwrite? Maybe? No, okay. Okay, so maybe I now have some new files. Here's what's new. So I'm gonna come into here, and it says to add it as my project. So I'll add a package, add local, and now this should be a package. Oh yeah, and it lets me add it this time. Perfect. And if I come into here, I'm not seeing the link option. I'm looking for GitHub API, but I don't see that. Ah, okay. So there's one other thing. I have to make sure that this isn't being added to the app target. So it's no longer being added to the app target. Let's re-add it this time, or try to re-add it, see what happens. Okay. Still don't see the thing that I'm expecting to see. I wonder if I set a schema namespace. Did I ever do that? Alright, yeah, so maybe I never put a schema namespace, and that could be why none of this is working for me. That is weird. How in the hell? What's up with this search? The search is broken. I can't find dash iOS. What the hell? Wow, okay. I may see what the issue is, so I am going to address it. I want to copy this right here. I think. Yeah, I want to copy this. That did not do anything that I... What the hell? Like, what the fuck? Okay. So it's not schema name. It's schema namespace. Schema namespace. And we're going to just call it GitHub API. Module type is going to be whatever it is now. Well, no, it's not. It's going to be the Swift package manager. This thing right here. And the target name, there won't be a target name. So we'll just do that. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Maybe it's not namespace. Maybe it is schema name. No, I don't know. This is weird. I don't see it in the file that it generated. So maybe, you know, I don't need this anymore. Maybe it won't make any difference. Path GitHub. Wait, schema types. Okay. Oh wow, I could have did it here. Okay, this is useful. If I ever, you know what, I'm going to add it now and just comment it out. So I'm going to comment this out for now. And oh wait, I forgot you can't do comments in JSON. Shit. All right, well, damn it. I'll just do this. I'll do it later. That is useful in the case or in the event that I share this project. I don't want anyone else to have to go through all of these hoops and hurdles that I'm having to jump through. Anyways, I've created or did I create the thing? Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to add this package again. Okay, that's now done. And let's see if we can find, nope, I don't see the framework. I was expecting to see GitHub here, or whatever the thing is called. I think it's called something. Let's see. Oh wait, there's nothing in here. Okay, I gotta generate the files. My bad. I forgot. Okay. Let's do that. Where's iTerm? All right, so we're gonna do Apollo something generate. All right. Now we come back. Is there anything in here? Oh no, there's not. I need to update the configuration here. I changed it. So this is not whatever that is anymore. This is now GQL. So GQL / that. And then GQL / that. Let's make sure that my stuff is still here. Schemas. Yeah, so this is only going to be in schemas. Schema, like that. Okay, let's try to run that again. Wait, what? What do you mean it couldn't be found? Oh, okay. For some reason I took the S. Oh, wait. No. That's what it should be. That's right. It's the schema that I no longer have. Ah, I see what I did. Yeah, I'm gonna move it back. Yeah, we're gonna move it back into schemas. Okay. So, do I now have any code in here? All right, maybe I need to do overwrite. Or not. All right, let's just see what's happening then. How about that? Okay, so it did find my schema. All right, evaluating that, matched GQL schema, okay. And then it's going into GQL to match all of my non-schema things. So it expanded to these things right here. And then it's going to match this, which is good. Okay, evaluating. All right, so yeah. Wait, there's more matches? Oh, wow. Okay. We don't want 3 of these for sure. Alright, still nothing there. There's also nothing inside of here, which is concerning. Let's just get this configured. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so this is going to go to the API. All right. I was putting it in a hidden directory. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Now, one thing that I'm not sure of is how do I put headers? in here. All right. For some reason, it's not actually generating the code that I need. I don't need this here because the schema is already defined for me. Yes, I shouldn't need that. This GQL, it is finding things. That's the thing that's confusing to me. Is that it is actually finding stuff. You know what? I am just going to delete it. Just regenerate it. All right, this is better. Okay, so I had to just redo it. So let's remove this as a package. And confirm that this thing does have what I expect it to have. It does. Okay. All right. I also want to make sure that this isn't included in the project. All right. Yep. We're looking good, I think. So now what I'll do is I'll instead just, I'll do what I've been doing again, and I'll add the package, which is GitHub API. and I may have to go into the file that I want to explicitly pull in, which is here. And let's make sure. I guess it gets added. Let's see. So this is fetch whatever that is. So we're gonna go back to my user model, the thing that started it all. And let's see if I can put that in here. Ah, look at that. Okay. And then I was expecting to see login in here, but I don't. So now I'm curious if this is like literally the same thing that I've been dealing with earlier. So let's see. A. Yeah, same issue. So I think we're back somewhere on the right path. Let's go back. There's supposed to be an API in here. I must have missed that. I definitely didn't see that. Yeah, it's still not here. It's almost as if it didn't actually get added as a package. Even though it's right here, I see it. It's right here. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna delete this again, just one more time. And this time I'm going to add a package, but I'm also going to make sure that I select the package file. No, okay, there is no package file. So they're importing the, okay, all right, they're doing something that I straight up can't do. Let's delete, let's save that. I almost feel like whatever's happening isn't. These changes don't seem to be reflected. Inside a GQL schema. Oh, I see what's happening here. Okay. Oof. There we are. Okay, so now let's do the, okay. Now let's see if that fixes it. Do we now have code in here? Okay, yes, we do. Okay, so the issue that I'm facing now is that I don't see the, actually before I say that this is an issue, let me first do a build. Ooh, what is this? What's going on here? So the reason why I wanted to do a build was to see if that would cause anything to change. But no, I still don't see, yeah, I still don't see how this is going to work. I'm expecting to see GitHub API in here, but I don't. Here's why I expect to see GitHub API. If we come into this package right here and go into the package definition, there's this thing right here, GitHub API, that I should be able to import. Okay, well, I don't know. I have no idea why I can't import these files after I've generated them, even though I can see them. Like I just don't know how to import these. And for the record, I'm relatively new to Swift, so if you're like, oh, this is easy, you just import, I don't know how you do that. So if you happen to be watching and you know how to do this, let me know. Feel free to drop me a message. Oh wait, no, that's a class. I know I can't do that. Oops. So it should look something like that. and then I would expect to be able to pass in like in login something like this, and then pass in like whoever, something like that. That's what I expect. That's what I'm expecting to happen, but no, it's not working, unfortunately. Okay, so the line of code that I was just looking at, supposedly this makes fetch last commit for repos, whatever this is, that should be available on Apollo API. That's what I'm reading here. So let's import Apollo API. Okay, I'm starting to understand what's going on here now. It's never actually adding the package. So the package must not be correct. All right, I don't know. I'm stuck, and I don't see myself making any additional progress in the next 20 minutes. I'm here for 3 hours so far, so I'm gonna go ahead and check out. If you were watching this and you're hoping to see, progress on this, or you want to see what it looked like, participate next time. Say something. Say hello. Anyways, I'm out. Y'all have a good rest of the weekend. Peace.